Hello, this is Mike with Super Plumbing. We're about to do an inspection down the sewer line. Clean out is on the left side of the house, 3-inch, and the crew is ready and set to go. He's setting the camera now in through the 3-inch clean out. Go right ahead, and we'll just take a look how that looks in the camera. Very clean shot, shows the piping we're going into, and pretty clear shot with this camera method is pretty good. There's a little water puddling at the bottom here as we go through. It's old cast iron piping, and we can see that there's no intrusions at this point, which is a good sign, even though it is weathered material. There's a bit of wearing at the very bottom of the pipe, which could be replaced at any time, but that is not a necessary moment today. It looks good. No intrusions at this point as we head out down the yard closer to the back alley. Now there's a clean out right at this spot here that we spotted, or a tie-in. Continuing on, there's a bit of root intrusion here. Go ahead. And looks like there's quite a bit of lengthy roots inside the line. We'd never get those out with snaking. That's really a hydrojetting situation. Continue on, a little offset of the pipe. More roots going further down the line. And a little bit of an offset here. Continue on, and a little interjection. There's some more roots coming in, about a third of the pipe. And there we have it. We're just about through it. It's a little hard to get through even that little bit of root system. And then there, I think we're just about over that point. And we're getting closer down the line. There's more root intrusion here. You can see the wear also at the bottom of the pipe. Looks like it's actually worn all the way through here at this point. So we may have to look at that once the hydrojetting's done, and whether that's root system there, or is it actually a wear in the pipe. But again, having to actually jet the line is the key answer here to find out what's going on with it. But we just want to show you up front what you can see when you're actually, prior to actually jetting the line. And we're getting down the line, pretty clear through this part. A little further, and now we've just coming down, and we're taking another look here. And so far there's no situation at this point. Now we're coming through a little bit of root intrusion at that joint, and then we're looking down further, and we see pretty much a clear pipe. And then we're coming down to another spot here where we'll be seeing some roots shortly. And that will be pretty well the end of the line. Some intrusion, a little something there, a little something here, intrusion at another joint, some intrusions, small, but still can be. Now we're running into a little puddling of water. There we go. Major root intrusion right at the end of the line here. That's 3/4 of the pipe filled with roots. And that's basically our exam for now. We're going to jet this, and some more roots, of course, more roots, and then finally we're into the main sewer. It looks like a separation of the pipe there. So we're going to have to look at this in a little more detail once the roots are removed. And that's the end of our exam. This is Mike, Super Plumbing, for 1903 Screenland. Thank you.